And so, speaking of success, you guys have come up with something really interesting, as you mentioned, Nutraberry, um, which is really, I think that the berry part is almost a bit misleading to some. I mean, and not in a bad way. But really, what you're in this also today, I mean, I was just listening to a podcast the other day about reduce, reuse, recycle, but now it's also reduce, reuse, reimagine. And this fits really into that vein. And so you are repurposing the seeds. Am I correct?
Yeah, the solids, skins and seeds, the solids that remain.
Skins and seeds. Excellent. Yeah. You're doing this with a variety of different fruits?
Oh, yeah, we're layered on top of the Pacific Northwest fruit processing industry. 95% of the raspberries going to the U.S. open field,
Uh-huh.
meaning that they're going to be juiced. When you buy berries and fruits that are in the grocery store, that's a straight pack, typically grown in greenhouses in a very controlled conditions. That's why each one looks so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
The wet temperate climate in the soil in the Pacific Northwest is perfect for growing fruits like this kind. It's also the largest grower of blueberries.
Uh-huh.
Chile, for example, is equidistant from the equator. Where they grow fruit is Pacific Northwest, and the wine that comes out of it is the same latitude as California.
Mm-hmm.
So these are open field; they will be juiced, and we work with the solids that remain after that. As a context, when I tried to get approved with the school lunches, the USDA, for a serving of fruit, the response was that there's many nutrients that are in the juice that are not in the fibers. And my response is actually I believe, opposite. There's a lot more nutrients that are actually in the fibers and retained in the fibers. And those seeds have nutritional value in the microbiome.
Yep.
What we do that differentiates us is we micronize that seed. After you remove the oil and the fatty acid fraction, the water soluble nutrients that would be in a juice are not available because the seed passes through your body intact. We micronize that to 5 microns, the size of a human cell. That increases the surface area, which increases the availability to the microflora in our gut. The microbiome is the 5 to 7 pounds of gut bacteria we all have in us. And that's the macronutrient responsible for the health benefits of the fruit. They're in the seed 8 times more in concentration on a dry basis as the whole dried fruit itself.